freedom through movement. Our bodies were designed to move. Joints connect bones with an intricate support system of muscles, ligaments, tendons, and cushioning fluid. Yet many encounter joint pain and stiffness from neglect and overuse. Each day can become a struggle when every step brings discomfort and limitation. Imagine feeling uncertainty with every movement, burdened by aches that steal your joy of living. In these moments, a simple truth emerges. Gentle, low-impact exercise can transform joint health. Picture engaging in Tai Chi's slow, flowing motions that cultivate balance and inner calm, or embracing yoga poses that enhance flexibility, strength, and mental clarity. Now envision cycling through a scenic trail where each pedal stroke strengthens leg muscles without putting pressure on your knees and hips. Consider the healing power of walking at a relaxed pace, a simple habit that keeps joints mobile day after day. Even swimming offers a full-body workout. Water's buoyancy supports every movement, easing stress on fragile joints. Scientific insights confirm that consistent, low-impact activity builds strength around joints, reduces stiffness, and stimulates synovial fluid production, nature's lubricant for smooth, effortless motion. A balanced diet and proper hydration, especially with ionized alkaline water that nourishes cartilage and optimizes pH balance, further fortify this essential support system. Strong muscles act as guardians, protecting joints from injury while improving overall coordination and balance. By adopting these practices, you not only relieve pain, but also open the door to renewed vitality and freedom. The journey from discomfort to empowerment begins with small, deliberate steps. Daily movement, mindful nutrition, and proper hydration form a bridge between joint pain and joyful mobility. There is hope in every gentle stretch and every mindful sip of water. Every low-impact exercise you perform is a step toward a life of balance, resilience, and confidence. Transform your routine today. Embrace low-impact exercises and healthy habits. Witness how these simple actions restore joint strength and unlock a pain-free future. Take that first step. Keep moving, keep thriving. Remember, every movement counts. Even the smallest activity strengthens your body and safeguards your joints for years to come. When you choose exercise, proper hydration, and nutritious foods, you invest in a future free from the frustration of pain. Your journey continues onward. Embrace this holistic approach to joint care and feel the transformation ripple through your entire life, fueling your spirit and empowering your every step.